Hey there, science fans. Imagine peering through a powerful microscope. You zoom in past tiny cells until you see them, bacteria. These single-celled organisms are everywhere, though they're too small to see with our eyes alone. We're talking way smaller than a pinhead. Get this, a teaspoon of soil can have millions, even billions of bacteria. Bacteria aren't just hanging out in your backyard. Oh no, they're adventurers, thriving in places you'd never expect. Think scorching deserts, freezing glaciers, even deep underwater near volcanic vents. They're tough. Now you might think, ew, bacteria. But hold on. While some bacteria cause illness, many are incredibly helpful. They're like microscopic superheroes, playing vital roles in our bodies and all over our planet. So get ready to explore the fascinating world of bacteria. We'll uncover their secrets, from their incredible survival skills to their impact on our environment. Stay tuned. Bacteria are the ultimate survivors, found in almost every environment imaginable. From the icy plains of Antarctica to the steaming hot springs of Yellowstone National Park, they've adapted to thrive in conditions that would be deadly to most other life forms. Talk about tough cookies, how do they do it? Well, bacteria are incredibly diverse. Over billions of years, they've evolved unique characteristics that allow them to withstand extreme temperatures, pressures, and even radiation. They're like the ultimate adventurers, equipped to handle anything Mother Nature throws their way. Think of it like this. Imagine wearing a special suit that could protect you from both freezing cold and scorching heat. That's what these amazing adaptations are like for bacteria. They allow them to live and grow in places we once thought impossible. So next time you're shivering in the cold or sweating in the summer heat, remember the bacteria, they're out there, braving the elements and proving that life finds a way no matter how extreme the conditions. Let's meet some of these bacterial superheroes, the extremophiles. These tough microbes take living to the extreme. Literally, take Psychobacter frigidicula found in the frozen Arctic. It laughs in the face of freezing temperatures, happily growing and reproducing in the ice. Then there's Thermus aquaticus, chilling in hot springs where temperatures can reach boiling. This heat-loving hero gave us a special enzyme used in labs to copy DNA, revolutionizing genetic research. Thank you, Thermus. But wait, there's more. Deinococcus radiodurans is like the superhero of radiation resistance. It can withstand blasts of radiation that would fry most other organisms. Scientists are even studying it for cleaning up radioactive waste. And don't forget the salty survivors like Halobacterium salinarum, found in places like the Dead Sea. They thrive in super salty environments that would shrivel up most other creatures. These extremophiles show us just how resilient life can be. They're a testament to the power of adaptation and a source of endless fascination for scientists studying the limits of life on Earth. Now, let's shrink down even further and peek inside a bacterial cell. Don't worry, we've got our microscopic goggles on. Bacteria are prokaryotes, meaning they have a simple structure without a nucleus. One key feature is the flagellum. Imagine a tiny whip-like tail that helps bacteria move around. It's like their own personal motor, propelling them through their environment. Some bacteria have multiple flagella, allowing for even more impressive maneuvers. Next up, we have pili, short, hair-like structures on the surface of some bacteria. They're like tiny grappling hooks, helping bacteria attach to surfaces or even to each other. Think of them as bacterial Velcro. And finally, we reach the nucleoid, the region where the bacterial DNA hangs out. It's not enclosed in a membrane like our nucleus, but it contains all the genetic information the bacterium needs to survive and reproduce. These structures might be small, but they're essential for bacterial life. They allow bacteria to move, attach, and reproduce, ensuring their survival in a wide range of environments. Bacteria are masters of multiplication, reproducing rapidly when conditions are right. They use a process called binary fission, where one cell divides into two identical daughter cells. It's like a microscopic cloning machine. Under ideal conditions, some bacteria can double their population every 20 minutes. That means one bacterium could become millions in just a few hours. This rapid growth is why bacterial infections can spread so quickly. But bacteria don't just exist as individuals. They're team players, forming slimy communities called biofilms. Think of it like a bacterial city where they build a protective layer around themselves, sharing resources and communicating with each other. Biofilms can be found on surfaces everywhere, from your teeth to rocks in a stream. They can be beneficial, protecting bacteria from harsh conditions, but they can also be problematic, making it harder to eliminate harmful bacteria. So while a single bacterium might be tiny, their ability to reproduce quickly and form biofilms gives them incredible power in numbers, allowing them to thrive and impact their environment in significant ways. Now, you might be wondering, are bacteria good or bad? Well, the answer is both. Just like humans, there are good bacteria and, well, not so good ones. Let's start with the good guys. Did you know your body is home to trillions of bacteria? That's right, you're a walking ecosystem. Many of these bacteria are beneficial, helping with digestion, boosting your immune system, and even producing vitamins. For example, lactobacillus bacteria in your gut help break down lactose in milk, while bifidobacteria aid in digestion and fight off harmful bacteria. We need these tiny helpers to stay healthy. But of course there are the troublemakers, the pathogenic bacteria that can cause diseases. These baddies can cause infections like strep throat, food poisoning, and even more serious illnesses. However, it's important to remember that most bacteria are harmless or even beneficial. It's all about balance. Beyond our bodies, bacteria are essential for the health of our entire planet. They're like the tiny architects of our ecosystems, playing vital roles in nutrient cycling, pollution cleanup, and even climate regulation. Think of bacteria as nature's recyclers. They break down dead plants and animals, releasing nutrients back into the environment for other organisms to use. Without them, the world would be a pretty messy place. Bacteria are also amazing at cleaning up our messes. Some bacteria can break down pollutants like oil spills and pesticides, helping to remediate contaminated environments. Scientists are even exploring their use in bioremediation projects worldwide. And believe it or not, bacteria play a crucial role in the Earth's climate. They're involved in the carbon cycle, helping to regulate greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Understanding their role is essential as we address the challenges of climate change. So while bacteria might be tiny, their impact on our planet is anything but small. They're essential for maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems and ensuring a healthy planet for all. Let's give a big cheer for the little guys. Remember, the next time you think about bacteria, don't just think about the bad guys. Think about the incredible diversity, resilience, and importance of these microscopic wonders that share our world. From the depths of the ocean to the inside of your gut, bacteria are shaping our planet and our lives in profound ways. Keep exploring, stay curious, and always remember the power of the unseen world.